Bow Windows Installation in Sanford, Florida, offers a unique opportunity to enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. Sanford Window Experts FL are skilled in providing custom bow windows that not only beautify your space, but also improve energy efficiency. With a variety of bow windows Sanford styles available, homeowners can choose the perfect design to complement their home's architecture. Sanford window replacement services are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Sanford Window Specialists FL offer comprehensive solutions, including energy-efficient windows. Sanford, to ensure your home remains comfortable and cost-effective. Whether you need a complete window overhaul or specific bow window replacement, Sanford, these professionals have you covered. Custom bow windows. Sanford are a popular choice for those looking to add a touch of elegance to their homes. Sanford Window Professionals FL specialize in bow window customization, allowing you to select from a range of bow window options, Sanford, that suit your personal style and home design. These custom solutions are tailored to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. Energy-efficient bow windows are a smart investment for any Sanford home. By choosing energy-efficient windows, Sanford, you can reduce your energy bills and increase the comfort of your living space. Sanford Window Providers FL offer a range of energy-efficient bow windows that are designed to keep your home insulated and reduce your carbon footprint. Bow window replacement, Sanford, is crucial for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Sanford window services include expert replacement and maintenance to ensure your bow windows remain in top condition. Regular bow window maintenance? Sanford can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Affordable bow windows, Sanford, Florida, are available for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Sanford Window Company FL offers competitive pricing on a wide selection of bow window styles, Sanford, making it easy to find the perfect fit for your budget and home design. Sanford Window Solutions are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners in the area. From bow window upgrades, Sanford, to complete window replacements, Sanford FL window contractors provide comprehensive services to enhance your home's value and appeal. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, these professionals deliver exceptional results. Bow window design, Sanford, is an art that combines functionality with aesthetics. Sanford Window Specialists FL are adept at creating stunning bow window designs that enhance the beauty of your home while providing practical benefits. Whether you're looking for a traditional or contemporary look, there's a bow window design to suit your taste. Sanford Home Window Services encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation to replacement and maintenance. Sanford Window Experts FL are committed to providing top-notch services that ensure your windows are always in optimal condition. With their expertise, you can enjoy the benefits of well-maintained and stylish windows. Bow window features, Sanford include a variety of options that cater to different preferences and needs. Sanford Window Professionals FL can guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the right features that enhance your home's comfort and style. From energy efficiency to aesthetic appeal, bow window features offer numerous advantages.